Welcome to Nerve.
It's cool, right?
Hello guys, today we're gonna be reviewing this LED bulb. This is a 16 color LED bulb with remote control and with brightness control as well. So let's open it and see what we have got inside. So what we have a remote and a bulb. So this is the bulb here, if you can see it, and this is the remote. In here we have three main colors. One is red, green and blue, and then we have shades for the red color, shades for the green color, and the shades for the blue color. And we have this W here, if you can see, this is the white to make the LED glow white, and this is all. So what else do you need for this LED to work is, first of all, you need a holder. So you need something like this. This is the holder for this kind of bulb. So you can buy this holder from anywhere, from the local store, and this will be, I think, $1 or so. And this is the bulb. What you have to do is you have to place the bulb here and then twist it like this. Okay, it's done. The bulb is ready. I had to plug it in and test it. So this is the bulb, and now for this remote you need a cell, and you had to just push it like this and then pull it. Wait a second. Okay, here you see you had to place a cell here, and I think I have one remote already here which has the cell placed in it. So here it is, you can see the cell here. This is the cell. You have to place it here, and boom, you are ready to go. Now let me show you how it works and how the colors look like and what are the controls in here. So here we are. Right now it's turned off. Now let me press the on switch and it will glow like this. If I press W, it will turn white here. Now I'm going to press the brightness control here. It can decrease like this and increase like this. Now let's go for the red color. You can see this is the red shade of it, and we have the different shades for red. If I press this, it turns a little yellowish. I go down, a little more yellowish, but the lighter one I press down, and the last one is here. So these are the shades for red. I go green, and we have different shades for green as well. Then I go for the blue and different shades for blue as well. And the last one is the white, and this is the white. We have some more options here. If you can see, the flash, the stroke, the fade, and the smooth. The smooth is awesome, like this. You see, it will turn into different colors smoothly, changing from one color to another color. And if I press this fade option, this is something like this. I don't see much difference here. And the stroke, this is the stroke, and that's all, I think. And the flash, no, we have one more option, flash. This is flash. So that's all about this LED. To buy this thing, I'll put the link in the description, and the best part is that they give you the free dry cell with it that you have to place in the remote. They'll give you it for free, and just go check it out and buy it and light your home. The range of this remote, I'm gonna just test it at multiple distances. First of all, let me try it here. It works fine. I go a little bit back, try it from here. It's working. I go a little bit more. This is the normal size of a room. I'm gonna just try it, and it's working fine. Now I'm gonna go more. This is the maximum distance I can go in my hole. This is the maximum size of my hole. I'm gonna just try it now, and it's working fine. You see, it's working great. And that's all. You can simply place the bulb in one corner of your hole, and you can just use the remote from the other corner, and it works great. That's all for the video. Thanks for watching.